In today's video, I am going to teach you how to block unwanted junk emails in Outlook. If you've been getting too many spam messages, promotional emails, or suspicious messages in your inbox, Outlook has a built-in way to make your email filtering much stricter. This can help reduce distractions, improve security, and keep your inbox easier to manage. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and what to turn on, so Outlook does more of the filtering for you. To get started, open Outlook and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to update the junk email settings. Once Outlook is open, look toward the top right area of the screen and click the gear icon. This is the settings menu, and it's where you can control many of the options related to your mailbox and how your email is handled. When the settings panel opens, find and click Mail. This section includes the main controls for how your messages are organized, received, and filtered. After that, click Junk Email. This will take you to the area where Outlook manages spam protection and message filtering. In the junk email settings, look for the filtering level options and select Strict. Choosing Strict tells Outlook to apply stronger filtering rules to incoming messages. This can be especially useful if a lot of unwanted email is still making it into your inbox. Keep in mind that stricter filtering may sometimes catch legitimate emails too, so it's a good idea to check your junk folder occasionally, especially after making this change. Next, make sure the option to block attachments is checked. This is an important setting because attachments in junk or suspicious emails can sometimes contain harmful files. Enabling this adds another layer of protection and helps reduce the risk of accidentally opening something unsafe. Once you've selected Strict and checked the Block Attachments option, click Save. This confirms your changes and applies the updated junk email settings to your Outlook account. That's it. Your Outlook inbox should now be better protected against unwanted junk email. If you notice that some important messages are being filtered by mistake, you can always return to the same settings area later and adjust them. It's also a smart habit to review your junk folder from time to time so you don't miss anything important. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your inbox cleaner and safer.